Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 15 top stories we are covering today. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. I skipped college for trade school. Now I have a job I love that won't be replaced by AI. Baylee Frankovich, a 23-year-old from Reno, Nevada, opted out of college and pursued a trade school program to become an HVAC service technician. The 9-month program cost $15,000 and allowed her to work full-time while learning hands-on skills. Now she feels empowered by her decision and has a job she loves that won't be replaced by AI. GrapheneOS fixes Android VPN leak Google refused to patch. GrapheneOS has released an update that fixes a recently disclosed Android VPN bypass vulnerability, which allowed users' real IP addresses to be leaked even when always-on VPN and blocked connections without VPN protections were enabled. The issue affected Android 16 and stemmed from a new QUIC connection teardown feature. Hackaday Europe, last round of speakers, workshops. Hackaday Europe announces its final lineup of speakers and workshops, urging attendees to purchase tickets soon. The event will feature a keynote by Sprite TM on building a retro gaming PC from scratch, as well as additional talks and 2 more workshops. I went from Goldman Sachs to running a dance studio. My Wall Street years helped me center clients and manage finances. Kayla Moade, 35, left Goldman Sachs to found Ricud Movement, a dance studio in Brooklyn, New York. After working at Goldman's wealth management business while pregnant and breastfeeding, Moade gained experience building client relationships and managing finances. Her Wall Street background helps her center clients and manage finances at the dance studio. Xiaomi's latest TV proves that QD LED tech is the future of TVs. Xiaomi's latest TV series, the Xiaomi TV S Mini LED 75 2026, features quantum dot mini LED technology, offering improved contrast levels, increased brightness, and reduced blooming. Priced at $99,999, $1,065. It is a more affordable option compared to OLED TVs while delivering better image quality than standard LED TVs. I quit fast-paced journalism to care for my sick mom. My experience in both led me to become a celebrant at funerals. Mandy Appleyard, a 65-year-old from Yorkshire, England, left her career as a journalist and lecturer to care for her mother after she suffered a massive stroke in May 2019. As her primary caregiver, Appleyard realized that her life no longer belonged to her, but rather to her mother's needs. The best networking upgrade in your house costs $20 and only needs to be connected for a few seconds. A $20 Ethernet cable tester can identify faulty cables, which often cause networking problems in the home, despite appearing fine externally. Many issues with network connections are physical, not digital, and can be resolved by inspecting and testing cables before troubleshooting software or firmware. Your motherboard has a hidden networking suite that could kill your lag spikes. Modern motherboards have evolved to include advanced networking features, such as AI-driven traffic shaping and multi-link operation, which can improve gaming and workflow performance when utilized correctly. These features allow for simultaneous connections to different frequency bands, prioritizing bandwidth and reducing latency. This hidden networking suite is often overlooked by users, but it has the potential to significantly enhance PC performance. Would you like a zombie app? Friendster and Vine are back from the dead. Friendster and Vine, 2 social media platforms shut down in the 2010s, have been revived with new versions. Friendster's relaunch features a redesigned app experience, while Vine has been reborn as Vine, which revives hundreds of thousands of old Vine videos and allows users to post new 6-second clips. The reboots are driven by nostalgia for a simpler internet era. Decoupled Die-Lo-Co, resilient, distributed AI training at scale. Researchers introduced Decoupled Die-Lo-Co, a distributed AI training architecture that enables scalable model training across distant data centers with reduced bandwidth requirements. This approach decouples islands of computation, isolating local disruptions while maintaining efficient learning. The result is a more resilient and flexible method for training advanced models globally. CISA flags data theft bug in NSA-built OT networking tool. The Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, has identified a vulnerability in GrapheneOS, an open-source tool developed by the National Security Agency, NSA, that allows attackers to steal sensitive information. The flaw, affecting all versions of Marlin, can be exploited through insufficient hardening of the XML parsing process. Why the go-to guide for Warren Buffett's big Berkshire Hathaway bash expects a much bigger crowd next year. Warren Buffett's annual shareholder meeting saw a noticeably smaller crowd this year, but Tilman Versh, an unofficial tour guide and publisher of guides to the event, expects a larger turnout in 2027. The main reason for the lower attendance was Buffett's decision to sit in the audience instead of on stage, allowing CEO Greg Abel to take center stage. EU advises member states against using Chinese networking equipment. The European Commission has recommended that member states exclude Huawei and ZTE's 5G networking equipment from their local telecom infrastructure, signaling a step towards banning Chinese suppliers across the EU. This move is part of the EU's new cybersecurity measures aimed at improving supply chain security and product safety. The recommendation does not constitute an official binding law, but rather sets a clear direction for member states to follow. The ESP8266 gets an OS, and it's familiar. Kernel ESP, an operating system for the ESP8266 microcontroller, has been developed by Hurried Torado, building upon the Kernel Uno concept. The new OS adds features such as a web console, scheduled jobs, sensor rules, scripting, NTP, and a JSON API, making it more useful with its built-in Wi-Fi capabilities. Don't swap Docker for Proxmox's OCI support yet. The missing pieces matter more than the promise. Proxmox VE 9.1 added native OCI image support, allowing users to pull and run OCI images directly from the interface. While this feature is exciting, it's not yet ready for home labs as it converts OCI images into Proxmox's own LXC-based model, lacking the creature comforts expected of Docker. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed, and I will see you in the next update.